We're in Signal Channel again. Do you have a Chevy HHR? Do you hate the air filter as much as I do? Do you hate that the air intake hose is this terrible felt and it's broken like this? Do you hate that GM doesn't really support this part, or it's hard to come by? Well, if you do, I have the solution for you today, because we're going to fix this cloth air intake here easily. So, if it's not broke, like it still has the plastic rib in there, you're in luck, because we can fix this fairly easy. It's going to take a little bit of your time. If you can find one cheaper or faster, buy it. So what I have here is a hot melt glue gun. What we're going to do, since this is felt, is we'll line it up and slowly glue it, press it, glue it, press it until it's all the way around. And then that should be a good enough fix for this, for at least for a while. I wish GM would have made this some kind of metal part, because this thing leaves something to be desired. But that's a pretty quick one, just we'll glue it up here. I'm not going to film the boring part of me gluing it up, but if you line it up and just slowly go around like that, you'll have one solid piece. So I'm going to glue it up. I'll show you how it turns out, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Much glued it up here, and it's one solid piece again. So there you have it. That's a quick and dirty, cheap way. You might get some spider webs from the hot melt glue gun. Just try to clean them up the best you can so it doesn't melt on the engine. And there you have it. An easy, quick, dirty, and cheap way to fix your air hose on your Chevy HHR. Thanks for watching.